dear students, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to my channel. This is Reshma. Once again came back with a new topic, that is polynomials classification. Already in the previous video you have seen the basic of polynomials. What is polynomial, what is not a polynomial. Today we are going to the next topic, one more step, that is classification of polynomials. Classification of the polynomials in the sense how we can categorize the polynomials, how we can differentiate the polynomials. Come, let's check out. Polynomials have been divided into two categories. Any guess, students? Polynomials have been divided into two categories. Any guess? So polynomials have been divided into two categories. One, based on terms. The first one is based on terms. Next category, based on degrees. Next category, based on degrees. Okay. So when you are coming to the point based on terms, term in the sense, first of all, learn what is term. Term in the sense in an algebraic expression, whenever we are taking an example, 4x squared plus 3y plus z. Then when you are seeing 4x square plus 3y plus z, here see the basic mathematical operators, what are they? So we are having operators. These called as one term, 3y can be called as second term, z can be called as third term. So term means the combination of variables and numbers which have been divided with the basic mathematical operators or called as terms. So here we are having three terms in this algebraic expression. Let's see like that what are the classification of polynomials. So the first one term, we call one term as monomial. We call the one term as monomial. So see the example of a monomial. Any one term, 4z cube, any term you take, there should not be one addition or one subtraction. Any mathematical operator should not be there in this algebraic expression. Then only we can call it as monomial. Mono means single term. Next, coming to the point, second one, binomial. Binomial, bi in the sense two, nomial means terms. Two terms combination, we are going to call that expression or that polynomial as binomial. Example, 3z power 4 plus n square, two terms, any two terms with any degrees. Here degrees is not mandatory. Mandatory is the terms. Next, coming to the point, third one, trinomial. Three terms, the combination of three terms is called as trinomial. Let's check it out the example. You can also say x plus y plus z, simple thing, x plus y plus z, trinomial. Next, the next one is polynomial or multinomial. You can take from here 4, 5, 6, anything you can take the terms. So I will give 4 examples. X plus y minus z plus a. Anything you can do. Next, coming to the point of based on degree. Based on degree. Degree in the sense highest power in that polynomial is called as degree. Now based on the degree we are having the categories. If the degree is 1, then we are going to call the polynomial as linear polynomial or linear equation. Example, 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y. Here the degree is 1. Whenever you are checking the variables, the variable power you should check. If it is 1, then blindly go for the linear equation. Linear in the sense single Power will be 1. Next, coming to the point, when the power is 2, we'll call it as quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Example, 3x square plus 4y. See here, one small note I will say to you, whenever we are having like these terms, check that single term powers, total combination of all the powers of that variables in that term you add, that we call as degree of the monomial term in that expression. So here degree in the sense highest power. So here x power is 2, y power is 1. Whenever any power is not there, automatically the power will be 1. So here, what is the highest degree? Here students, 2. So this equation or this polynomial we are going to call it as quadratic polynomial. Coming to the next one, cubic polynomial. Cubic in the sense degree will be 3. So example, 3x cube plus y square plus z cube. Anything you can take, degree should be 3. The next one, so space is not there, so I am writing up by quadratic equation. By quadratic equation or by quadratic polynomial. Example, 4x to the power of 4 plus 5y cube plus 3x square. Anything you can write. So here, these are the classification. I hope you have understood. If you are having any doubts, you can keep in the comment section. So here, polynomials. Once again, just a small review. Polynomials have been classified into 2 categories. One is based on terms. One is based on degrees. Based on terms, single term we will call it as monomial. 2 terms, combination of 2 terms we will call it as binomial. Combination of 3 terms we will call it as trinomial. If more than 3, it comes under the category of polynomial. Coming to the next classification of polynomials, which will be decided based on the degree. If the degree is 1, then we will call it as linear. If the degree is 2, we will call it as quadratic. If the degree is 3, we will call it as cubic. And if it is 4, we will call it as biquadratic. We have 5, 6 also students. We will see in the next video. Today I have given a small homework for you. Write a polynomial. Which question? See the question and write the question as homework. Write a cubic polynomial. Write a cubic polynomial which satisfies binomial condition also. Binomial condition also. Write the homework and send in the comment section. Thank you.